Hi creatives, my name is Somi and welcome back to AI by Zoom. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to create these viral restoration videos that hits millions of views on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok and Facebook, something like this. This AI restoration video effect is seriously satisfying. We are going to be using 4 image prompts and 3 video prompts to create a seamless restoration video. So let us create.
So let me show you how to create these viral AI restoration videos. These are blowing up right now, and I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step. Open ChatGPT, click on this two line up, then click on apps, click on GPTs, then search. You search for flow transformation. Then click start chat and hit the start button. Then you go ahead and type what you want to create. For this tutorial, I'll go ahead and type, let's say, living room. Then I'll hit on generate. So it will give me 4 image prompts and 3 video prompts. This is everything we're going to be using to generate all our images and our video. As simple as that. Okay, let me try another one. Let's say you want to create for kitchen. So you go ahead and type kitchen and hit generate, and it will give you your 4 image prompts and your 3 video prompts. As simple as that. So this is everything for our prompts. So we are going to go to the next step, which is generating our images. Now, this next part is very important. You want to follow everything step by step. This is to keep the transformation looking very smooth. So I start by copying the first image prompt from the GPT. Then you open any image generation tool of your choice. For this, I'll be using Gemini. So open Gemini, click on create image. Then you go ahead and paste in your prompt. For this, I'll be changing the aspect ratio because I want it to 9 by 16 vertical. Then I'll go ahead and hit on generate, and our image will be ready in no time. Look at that, this is so cute. So this is good, this is perfect. To save this, simply click on the image and click on save, and this will automatically save to your device. So we'll go over to the next one. So I'll just repeat the process for all the 4 image prompts. Go to ChatGPT, copy my prompt, come back to Gemini, paste it, change the aspect ratio and generate. Our second image is ready. So I'll just repeat this for the third and fourth images. Once your images are generated, move on to the video creation step. So for this, we'll be using the video prompts provided by GPT, and then we are going to create transitions between each image. Now for the final shot, you can create a drone style or cinematic shot of the finished kitchen. This is just to make your video unique. Now look at our last image. Beautiful. This is so beautiful. So this is everything for our image generation. So we'll go over to the next step.
If you have watched to this part, kindly hit the subscribe button if you are not yet subscribed. Like this video, share with others so they can also learn, and drop me a really nice comment. Thank you.
Now for the video generation, we are going to open our browser and type Google Labs Flow, and it will get you here. Select this one, exactly this one with the pink icon, then sign in with your Gmail, of course, and it will get you to this interface. Click on new project and input your settings. Google Labs Flow generates both images and video, but since we've already gotten our image, we'll go ahead and select video. So once you select video, you have to select your aspect ratio, select ×1. Google Labs Flow has different models, so let's check it out. The first one is OmniFlash. This has 4 seconds, 6 seconds, 8 seconds, and 10 seconds. So 10 seconds takes 15 credits. The second model is View 3.1 Lite. This takes 10 credits for 8 seconds video. Then View 3.1 Fast. This takes 20 credits for 8 seconds video. And the last but not least is View 3.1 Quality. This takes 100 credits, and that's a lot because Google Labs Flow gives you 50 Google Flow credits per day. So for this tutorial, I'll be using OmniFlash to generate. Click here and upload all your images. Select the first and the second clip. Once this is loaded, let me go ahead and select all the clips. So I'll click here again, select photo library, and select the third and the fourth clips. I'll import this here. Then I'll click on this plus sign and select the first and the second image. Then I'll go over to ChatGPT, copy my prompt, and come back to Flow AI and paste my prompt in the chat box. Then I'll go ahead and hit generate and wait for my video to be ready. This just take few seconds and your video will be ready. Yes, our video is ready. Let us play it. Do you see that it came out very nice? The movement, everything very realistic. So go ahead to generate the second clip. So click on the plus sign again, select the second image and the third image. Make sure that my output is in ×1. Then I'll go back to ChatGPT and copy the second video prompt. Come back to Flow AI and paste it in my prompt box and hit on generate. And voila, our video is ready. This is nice. So next, the same process, I'll just repeat it. Select my third image and my fourth image. Then copy my prompt on ChatGPT, paste it in here and generate. You see that this is actually very easy to make. This is actually very easy to make. You're not even stressing yourself. All your video prompts and image prompts are there for you, so all you have to do is copy, paste, generate, and the outcome is gorgeous. So this is everything for our video. Now all our video clips are ready. So next is now to join our clips together. For this, we'll be using CapCut. So once everything is generated, download all your clips and open CapCut. Go ahead and drop the clips on the timeline in order. Trim off the excesses, clean up the cuts if needed. Also add animations where necessary. And then go ahead and add your music or sound effects. And voila, that's everything. You've gotten a smooth AI flow transformation video ready to post. And that's everything for this video. You have created your own AI viral restoration video. Easy peasy.
And that's everything for this video. This is how to create your AI restoration videos. Easy peasy. Please do not forget to subscribe. This means a lot. Do not forget to like. Do not forget to share. Also drop me a really nice comment and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye for now.